Welcome back to our channel, where we help you discover the best products to enhance your daily routine. Today, we're excited to share our top picks for the best hair dryers that can transform your hair game and make styling a breeze. Whether you're aiming for sleek and shiny or bouncy and voluminous, we've got the insights you need. So stick around, and if you enjoy our content, be sure to hit that subscribe button and join our community for daily tips and reviews. Number 1. HIFI Innovator Pro Power Speed Dryer. This advanced blow dryer features cutting-edge Ionic technology, which helps reduce frizz and enhance shine, making it perfect for all hair types. Its quick dry capabilities mean you can spend less time styling and more time enjoying your day, while the cool shot button helps set your style in place for a long-lasting finish. Plus, the lightweight design ensures that you can maneuver it easily without straining your arm, and its quiet operation makes it ideal for early mornings or late-night touch-ups. With the included diffuser, you can achieve those gorgeous, defined curls or waves without the hassle. If you're looking for a reliable, efficient hair dryer that combines performance with comfort, the HIFI Pro Power Speed is definitely worth considering. Number 2. Drybar Baby Buttercup Blow Dryer. What made it a winner? The best in the GH Beauty Lab's travel hair dryer tests, Drybar's top-of-the-line dual-voltage model delivers fast drying power in a portable package. It scored perfectly in lab evaluations for having easy-to-use controls, dried hair samples fast and had strong airflow. This tool was also easiest to maneuver and comfortable to hold, though it was heavier than other models and more effort was required for proper placement and removal of the attachment. Testers said, "Wow, this is powerful," an expert evaluator marveled. "It's the right size and doesn't look like a travel dryer until you fold the handle. I like that it could do double duty for home and away." Number 3. Ionics Graphene MX Brushless Professional Hair Dryer. What made it a winner? Power-packed yet gentler than other models, Ionics hairdryer was mild on both hair and scalp in GH Beauty Lab testing, key for damaged or fragile fine hair. It had the lowest air temperature at the highest of 3 settings, yet still dried hair samples quickly. Expert evaluators found it comfortable to hold and that the attachments were easy to put on and take off. They also gave it points for the strategically located control buttons and easy-to-use cool shot button. Though it was loud and quiet mark sound testing and is the priciest of the most recent test winners, it comes with a 10-year motor life warranty and a storage bag. That said, it doesn't include a diffuser, so it may not be the best pick for those with curly hair. Testers said, an expert called this pick sleek looking, and liked its balanced weight and size that's not too heavy or big and feels powerful. 2 others remarked, "I like that it has 3 temperatures, and it worked really well." Number 4. DryQ Smart Hair Dryer. What made it a winner? You can get a smooth blowout in no time with this state-of-the-art SRI tool. Despite its lightweight and slim, compact size, thanks to a foldable handle, it packs serious hair drying punch. In GH Beauty Lab assessment, it earned top scores for drying hair quickly and making it look smooth and not frizzy. It was also a tester favorite, thanks to its easy-to-use magnetic attachments, high-quality construction and temperature range. Some did find that the controls weren't as simple to operate and the attachments could get overly hot, however. Testers said, "It dried my hair in record time, within 5 minutes." A user with long, textured hair enthused. Another reported, "My thick hair dried incredibly quick and looks healthy and shiny. This will forever be my go-to blow dryer." Number 5. Shark SpeedStyle High Velocity Dryer. What made it a winner? You can create everything from bouncy curls to silky straight blowouts with this multi-purpose Shark hair dryer, which excelled at drying hair quickly in GH Beauty Lab testing. The compact tool comes equipped with 5 different attachments, including a diffuser for curls, concentrator, smoothing brush, touch-up brush and shine brush, plus a storage bag. It earned a top score for having a fast drying rate and had a high measured air temperature in lab tests. A full 100% of testers agreed it left hair smooth and shiny. They also gave it high marks for not leaving hair frizzy and creating the desired look. Drawbacks include its loud noise emission and heavier weight. Testers said, "I was shocked at just how quickly I was able to dry and style my thick hair, which usually takes so long," one marveled. A tester with coily hair agreed, "My hair takes forever to dry and this cut the time by 15 or 20 minutes." Users also praised how hair felt soft and bouncy after drying. SpeedStyle measures and regulates temperature 1,000 times a second, never exceeding 230 degrees Fahrenheit, and never approaching heat-damaging temperature of 302 degrees Fahrenheit. Number 6. Hot Tools Turbo Ionic Salon Dryer. This dryer combines advanced ionic and ceramic technology to create a powerful tool that not only speeds up drying time but also enhances the health and appearance of your hair. One of the standout features of this hair dryer is its lightweight design. It feels comfortable in your hand, allowing for effortless styling without the fatigue that often comes with heavier models. The powerful motor provides a robust airflow that cuts down on drying time, making your morning routine quicker and more efficient. The Ionic technology works wonders in combating frizz, ensuring your hair stays smooth and shiny. Meanwhile, the ceramic elements distribute heat evenly, helping to prevent damage and maintain your hair's natural moisture. This is particularly beneficial for those with fine or color-treated hair, as it minimizes the risk of over-drying and keeps your locks looking vibrant. The Hot Tools Pro Signature Hair Dryer also comes equipped with multiple heat and speed settings, giving you the flexibility to tailor your styling experience to your specific hair type. Whether you have thick, curly hair that needs a little extra heat or fine hair that requires a gentler approach, you can easily adjust the settings for optimal results. Number 7. Ionic Goldpro Dryer. This dryer is designed with innovative technology that utilizes natural volcanic rock minerals, which emit negative ions to help lock in moisture and reduce frizz. This means your hair not only dries faster but also looks shinier and healthier. One of the key features of the Goldpro dryer is its lightweight design, making it incredibly easy to handle during styling sessions. You won't have to worry about arm fatigue, even during those longer blowouts. The powerful motor provides high-velocity airflow, ensuring quick drying times without sacrificing the quality of your style. The dryer also offers multiple heat and speed settings, allowing you to customize your styling experience based on your hair type and desired results. Whether you need a gentle setting for fine hair or a high heat option for thick, coarse strands, the Ionic Goldpro has you covered. Another impressive aspect of this dryer is its quiet operation, making it perfect for early mornings or late-night touch-ups without disturbing anyone around you. Plus, the Cool Shot button helps set your style in place, ensuring that your look lasts all day. Number 8. Paul Mitchell Neurolite Tourmaline Hair Dryer. This dryer is not only lightweight, making it easy to maneuver, but it also features advanced Tourmaline technology that emits negative ions to help reduce frizz and enhance shine. One of the standout features of the Neuro dryer is its multiple heat and speed settings. Whether you have fine hair that requires a gentler touch or thick, coarse locks that need more power, you can easily customize your drying experience. The Cool Shot button is another fantastic addition, allowing you to lock in your style and add extra shine to your finished look. With its powerful motor, this dryer delivers fast drying times, saving you precious minutes during your morning routine. Plus, its ergonomic design ensures comfort during use, so you can achieve salon-worthy results without straining your arm. Not only is the Neuro by Paul Mitchell functional, but it also has a sleek, modern aesthetic that will look great in any bathroom.